Calibrating your Xbox Series X to reduce frame stuttering can enhance your gaming experience. Follow these steps to optimize your console settings. Step 1. Check your display settings. Navigate to the settings menu on your Xbox Series X, go to General, then select TV and Display options. Ensure that your resolution is set to the native resolution of your TV or monitor for optimal performance. Step 2. Enable variable refresh rate. In the same TV and Display options menu, look for the video mode section. Enable allow variable refresh rate if your display supports it. This feature helps reduce screen tearing and stuttering during gameplay. Step 3. Adjust refresh rate. Still in the TV and Display options, check the refresh rate settings. If your display supports 120 Hz, select that option. A higher refresh rate can significantly improve the fluidity of motion in games. Step 4. Optimize game settings. Launch the game you're experiencing stuttering with. Access the in-game settings and look for graphics options. Lowering settings such as resolution, shadows, or texture quality can help improve performance and reduce stuttering. Step 5. Keep your console updated. Regularly check for system updates by going to Settings, then System, and selecting Updates. Keeping your Xbox Series X updated ensures you have the latest performance improvements and bug fixes. By following these steps, you should be able to reduce frame stuttering on your Xbox Series X and enjoy a smoother gaming experience.